love that when it says 2500 heavy duty. I just love that. That's cool every time we start it up. Well, there she is. She's almost got 47,000 miles on her. Hey guys, welcome back to Georgia 4 Low. I'm Arthur. Today we're going to do a quick walk around on my daily driver. As you can probably see it back there behind me, it is a 2021 Ram 2500 4x4, and it is a single cab. Let's get started. As I said at the opening of the video, it is a single cab Ram 2500, which is a truck that I've always wanted to have. Finally got one in my possession, been daily driving it, and absolutely love the single cab trucks. She is not completely stock, it is a tradesman, and that's one of my favorite packages of the Ram trucks. I've had a Laramie. I'm just not a fan of all that gadgetry and all the other fancy stuff that comes on those packages. I like simple. Simple is reliable, and that's the way I like it. I'd rather this thing had power or had hand cranked windows and door locks if it was up to me, but it is pretty slick. Here's my daily driver, as I said. She's clean on the inside, that's for sure. I thought this was odd when we first got the truck, and but this has turned out to be perfect. Wife loves this. She got a little mini pocketbook she throws up here, keeps her glasses, her dental picks. So this actually works out pretty good. But added the Husky floor liners and some little American flag, little cup holder things. But other than that, it's just bone stock, good old truck. It does have some goodies installed. We got the Thuren. I think it's the 3-inch level that we put on here. Got the Fox 2.0 shocks, got the Thuren Sway Bar links and Sway Bar and Track Bar. And we also did that in the rear. She's got Thuren springs in the rear, and also the Fox shocks. Hard to see them in there, they tucked in there. But we also got the Rough Country airbags in there. And the reason I put those in there, the airbags in there, is since the truck is on this level, or since we put it's got the 3-inch level on it, every time you load anything in the back that's significant, either towing our boat, going to the Home Depot, getting a bunch of mulch. Of course, the back of the truck is squatted pretty decently, so put the airbags in there. I'm just using a mechanical, just a small portable air compressor that I use to put air in the bags. And right now, typically, 25 PSI works for everything, to pretty much, even towing our 25-foot console. 25 PSI is perfectly level, and it tows great. So that was $350, pretty simple installation, low cost. I didn't want to put a lot of money into that. We don't tow a variety of different things, and then the occasional towing, it's okay to have just a portable air compressor and not have an onboard air, gauges inside the truck and switches and all that. So I just kept it simple. At the moment, just using a bed mat. I kind of like that idea of just having the bed mat. I like looking at the white sides and the tailgate, but I think I'll eventually end up getting this line next. We got the better built, low profile diamond cut toolbox, pretty affordable. Got the Icon 6-inch oval side steps, and also, you've probably seen the video on it maybe, got the Winston HDX brush guard. That thing looks really good. And we did put the OEM mud flaps on here. I really like those, especially with all the interstate driving. It keeps all the gunk off the bottom of the truck, and then down at hunting camp, it keeps a little bit of the dirt road debris and stuff off the truck. Just keeps it a little cleaner. These were my the airbags. I put my little nozzles right here in the Schrader valves right here for the Rough Country airbags. Portable air compressor, blow them up, you're good to go. A couple of other things we've done to the truck is, of course, I put all LED brake lights, blinker, backup lights. We got LED headlight bulbs outfitted that. I kept the OEM headlight housing and the OEM taillight housing, just swapped out the bulbs. I like the look of the OEM better, just needed better bulbs in there. Just make it brighter and hopefully last longer than the halogen bulbs. guys, so there is my daily driver, a 2021 Ram 2500 single cab in a world full of crew cab 4-door trucks. You cannot find anything more unique, I think, today than a good single cab truck. They look good, feel good, they're sexy. Thanks for watching. Also, the truck has a nickname, BWG, so if you want to know what that means, ask me down in the comments below and I'll tell you what BWG means. Thanks for watching, guys.